If you're like me, then you've experienced the panic of forgetting a password more times than you can count. Managing them can be a total headache, and my frustration was turning into full-on embarrassment. I knew I needed much better security because honestly, I was losing it. And let's face it, security is no joke. With cybercriminals targeting just about anyone these days, I had to step up my game and ditch manual password saving for good. That's where password managers come in, and today I'm breaking down my top two choices: NordPass and 1Password. We'll look at some of their features and pricing to help you figure out which one could be the right fit for you. Both offer mobile and desktop apps, and both are excellent for securing my personal info, but they also have their own unique features, and only one can take the top spot. So if at any point you decide you'd like to try out either of these handy password managers, then check out the affiliate links down in the description below. It won't cost you anything, and you'll get to use our discount, which isn't available if you try signing up directly through their websites. Now, let me tell you what a total game changer a password manager has been for me. All right, so starting off with NordPass. So far, I found it to be an easy to use and reliable password manager, and it's really streamlined how I handle my online security. For starters, it gives me unlimited password storage in an encrypted vault, which is a lifesaver since I've got dozens of passwords to keep track of. Its autofill and autosave features have made logging in a breeze, and there's no more fumbling around with forgotten passwords. Plus, its password generator is great for creating strong, unique passwords, so I don't have to worry about reusing the same one because I've been guilty of that, like I'm sure we all have. The other thing I appreciate is how it securely stores not just passwords, but credit card details and personal notes too. One feature I find particularly useful is password health, which helps me spot and update any weak or old passwords. The data breach scanner has also come in handy a few times to check if my information has been compromised, giving me extra peace of mind. Being able to share passwords and sensitive info securely is another big plus. I've used the secure item sharing feature to safely pass along login details without risking exposure. Multi-factor authentication adds another level of security, and the cross-platform compatibility means I can access my vault across all my devices. It even lets me access my vault offline on up to 6 devices, which is perfect for when I'm on the go.
Overall, NordPass has really simplified my digital life and made managing my passwords much easier.
So if we take a look at their plans, NordPass offers a free version that covers basics like unlimited password storage and autofill. But for more advanced features, you might want to opt for the premium plan. It goes for just $25 a year, which is perfect for single users looking to unlock secure sharing and breach detection. Now, if you're looking for a plan to cover your whole household, the family plan runs at $45 per year and supports up to 6 users. Both premium plans offer multi-device access, comprehensive web scans, and encrypted file storage. And if, like me, you are running a business, you can start for under $4 per user per month with added features for collaboration with your teams. NordPass does all the heavy lifting by keeping your passwords, credit card details, and personal notes secure in an encrypted cloud vault. Plus, if your data is ever compromised in a breach, NordPass can automatically give you real-time notifications, and with support for multi-factor authentication and access across multiple devices, it's built to keep your digital life safe and convenient. And if NordPass sounds like the right fit for you, then don't forget to check out the affiliate link down in the description to get our discount, which isn't available if you try signing up directly through their website. Now let's talk about 1Password, which has been around for nearly 2 decades. It was started up in 2005 by 2 friends with the belief that security is inherently a human challenge and can only be truly solved with a human-centric approach to product design. Like NordPass, it works really well for me, and the biometric logins are a nice extra layer of security. One feature I really like is Travel Mode, which hides your sensitive data in an encrypted vault when you're on the move. Since I go on a business trip all the time, this gives me peace of mind knowing my information is safe. Another handy feature is that if any of your passwords get compromised, 1Password can help give you real-time notifications, and this has saved me a lot of time and stress, especially since I manage multiple accounts. 1Password also has something called an emergency kit, which is a PDF that you get during setup with all your account details and recovery info that you can keep as both printed and digital copies, just in case you ever need to recover access. For my teams and businesses, admins can even help restore access for other members if something goes wrong, which is great for organizations. There's also a customizable sharing option where you can set expiration dates for access to shared data, and the recipient has to verify their email before accessing anything. I found this useful for situations where I needed to share passwords temporarily. As for support, 1Password mainly uses email, Twitter communities, and a knowledge base for troubleshooting. And while their support is generally good, it's mostly available to paid subscribers. So if you're on the free trial, you might not get the same level of help, which could be a downside if you need immediate assistance before committing to a plan. And with that, let's talk about pricing. While 1Password doesn't offer a free plan, you can still try it out with a 14-day free trial. The individual plan starts at $3 per month, and the family plan is $5 per month for up to 5 members. For my business, I opted for the Team Starter Pack that starts at $20 per month for up to 10 of my employees, and premium features are available at $8 per user per month. 1Password excels in cross-platform functionality and security with features like password sharing and privacy cards that allow me to generate virtual credit card numbers, which are linked to my actual credit card, but can be used for online purchases without exposing my personal credit card details. But it does, as I mentioned, lack a free plan. And from other testimonials I read, some users have reported issues with syncing across devices and initial setup complexity. However, 1Password is still a solid choice for anyone seeking privacy and security in a password manager. It offers great features like Watchtower for monitoring your security, Travel Mode for safe access on the go, and advanced encryption to protect your data. And while it has a few downsides like setup complexity and occasional syncing glitches, it's praised for its reliability, trustworthy support, and easy integration. So if 1Password sounds like it might be the right solution for you, don't forget to check out the affiliate link in the description. It won't cost you anything, and you'll get our special discount that you won't find by going directly through their website. Now, let's talk about a comparison. So when I first started exploring password managers, I found myself weighing the pros and cons of NordPass and 1Password, both of which seemed to promise high quality security. And here's how my experience led me to choose NordPass. What had initially drawn me to NordPass was its use of XCHA20 encryption. I was impressed by how this encryption method is not only more secure but also more efficient than the AES 256 encryption used by 1Password. Since I often use my password manager on my phone, especially when traveling, the efficient performance of NordPass was a huge advantage. For example, during a recent trip, I was able to quickly access my passwords without any lag, thanks to NordPass's effective encryption. Another appealing aspect of NordPass is its free version, which allowed me to try out the app without any upfront cost. I appreciated this option as it gave me a chance to get comfortable with the features before committing financially. In contrast, 1Password required a subscription after a 14-day trial, which felt like a bit of a barrier if I was only exploring at that stage. Customer support also played a significant role in my decision. When I encountered an issue with syncing my passwords on a new device, I reached out to NordPass's 24/7 live chat support, and I was pleasantly surprised by the immediate help I received even late at night. This kind of round-the-clock assistance was invaluable. On the other hand, 1Password support is primarily email-based and slower, which seems less ideal for urgent issues. While both services are known for their strong security, I noticed that 1Password had some reports of suspicious activity in their employee-facing applications. Although there were no major breaches affecting user data, it did make me a bit cautious. NordPass, on the other hand, provided me with a unique 24-digit recovery code during setup, which is crucial if I ever forget my password. The premium option also includes emergency access, allowing someone to view my passwords without full control, a feature that came in handy when I needed to grant temporary access to a team member. NordPass offers secure sharing options and integrates seamlessly across desktops, browsers, and mobile devices. It ensures that my passwords, credit card details, and personal notes are always protected and easily accessible. Backed by the trusted team behind NordVPN, NordPass combines cutting-edge encryption with an intuitive design, making it ideal for both personal and business use. So overall, while 1Password has strengths like dynamic password sharing features, NordPass excels in the areas that matter most to me: security, support, and recovery. Its combination of advanced encryption, robust customer support, and useful features make it the clear choice for me in 2025. So that wraps up today's comparison. Before I go, just a quick reminder, if you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. And as I mentioned earlier, if you're interested in trying out either of these password managers, then check out the affiliate link in the description to use our discounts. It won't cost you anything extra, and you'll get a better deal than you'd get by going straight to their website. As always, I'd love to hear your thoughts, so feel free to drop any questions or comments below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.